Today I have door bumper strips. Let's go ahead and install it together. Let's check this out. Two for the front and two for the back. These are carbon fiber. Let's put the front one first. I'm gonna clean it. Let's take out the cover and then put it right there. And we are done with the left side. Let's go ahead and put the right side. Take the cover and then put it there. Now we are done. Let's try to look at the rear one. And you need to open the door. And then here is the wall. That's the area we need to install. Let's go ahead and install it. We will clean the area. It's good. Let's take this out and then find the exact location and put it right there. It is successful. This is the rear right side, and we're gonna go ahead and do the rear left side. We are done with the installation. Let's go ahead and check if it's working or not. Yep, it's working.